All right, let's go ahead and do our DIY security tip. And this week, it's all about your credit cards. They've had, well, one big benefit, which is to save us from having to carry around wads of cash all the time. And that's why using them makes shopping easier and safer, or does it? Now, despite the card issuers pushing these new security measures, seems like every single year, credit card theft is still a rampant crime. And if you tend to use plastic over paper, here's what you need to know about 5 threats that are facing you, your money, and your credit card accounts. And let's go ahead and start with those sneaky credit card skimmers. They can be really difficult to spot. There's the overlay skimmer. This fits over the card reader slot of an ATM or gas pump. Ultra thin skimmers. These fit inside the card reader slot. A shimmer, which are bulkier and easier to spot. And in this tip on the website, we show you the different type of skimmers so that you'll be able to actually spot them. And the whole idea is that if you see anything like that, do not put your credit card in there. That's how the thieves and the hackers and the scammers get your credit card, and then you start getting phone calls from your credit card company saying, were you in Germany buying 10 iPads for some reason? Brings us to number 2, malicious merchants. Even though you have an EV chip on your credit card or debit card, not every card uses the chip, and those that do are harder to extract the data. Now, most skimmers scan the magnetic strips, so make sure that you have that new chip or just use cash over the card. And then there are hacks at pretty popular places. Establishments like fast food places are becoming a higher priority targets for hackers. And we have strong consumer protection laws that mean you'll be on the hook for $50 at most. But what you want to do is make sure that you look at your credit card statements and start putting controls. Like, so for example, if the charge is over, say, $100 and your credit card isn't present, that you'll actually get a text message. Be very careful of the free Wi-Fi. That's number 4 on our list because, well, if you're on free Wi-Fi, anybody, that's right, anybody on that network can go ahead and see exactly every single thing that you type in, unless you're using a VPN. And finally, those evil emails that are in your inbox. Make sure that you don't fall for any type of phishing scams, because now that so much of our data has been leaked in data breaches, you have to be really vigilant about what you read, what you click, and anything that you get via email. We have links to more, as well as those photos of the skimmers that I mentioned. Just hit Komando.com when you're there. Hit that Show Pics button right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.